Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to effectively use an announcement bar feature on your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic tool for highlighting important, time-sensitive information like promotions or urgent updates. Are you ready to get started? When you're logged into Squarespace, you'll start by heading over to the website section in your main menu. From there, select Pages. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find Marketing Tools. Go ahead and click on that. Within the Marketing Tools menu, you'll see Announcement Bar, which is exactly what we're looking for. Here, you'll have the power to enable or disable your announcement bar. It's totally fine to turn it off once a promotion is over or your message is no longer needed. In the message field, you'll type out exactly what you need to be displayed on your site's announcement bar. The key here is to keep it short, clear, and impactful. One sentence is often best, or perhaps a couple of concise sentences if they truly go together. This space is perfect for urgent or time-sensitive information like free shipping this week. Now, a couple of pro tips. Don't overuse this feature or people might start to ignore it. Save it for those messages you really want to stand out. And make sure all your messages include a call to action, such as shop now. You can easily attach a link to your shop page so people can click directly on the bar to navigate exactly where you want them to go. It's always recommended to set that link to open in a new tab. This keeps visitors on your homepage, allowing them to explore more of your site while still completing the action you ask them to take. And there you have it. That is how you add, adjust, and disable your announcement bar in Squarespace. It's a simple yet powerful way to communicate key messages to your visitors.